Hey there folks, welcome to the Auto Universe. In today's video, we are going to show you the new 2020 Jaguar F Pace. But before we jump into the video, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep you up to date with the latest auto news and reviews. Now, onto the video. The Jag. We finally get to review a Jaguar in the Auto Universe channel. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button to keep us making these awesome videos. The 2020 Jaguar F Pace is practically the same as the 2017 Jaguar F Pace, with some minor tweaks here and there, and two new special editions, which we'll get into a sec, and a price bump of up to $400 seems to not keep Jaguar fans from buying this sport luxury crossover, which is quite a competitive segment in today's world of SUVs and crossovers. However, it's not that surprising, because the new 2020 Jaguar F Pace still deserves the credit as one of the best looking crossover in the market today, and not to mention one of the best handling crossover in the market. But its harsh ride and subpar materials on the lower trim level might going to change opinions about how the Jaguar F Pace is holding up. The Jaguar brand has been known for its issues for the past decades, but we are glad to see Jaguar standing behind its product and offering a strong warranty, which makes the F Pace more appealing. And about those special editions, the first special edition is the 300 Sport Edition, which is powered by the 296 horsepower versions of the Turbo 4. Only starts at $63,000. That's fairly significant increase over the standard F Pace S models. But with that, you will get interior yellow contrast stitching on the instrument panel and embossed logos on the front headrest. There's also Touch Pro navigation with Connect Pro as standard. Riding on a set of 22-inch gray wheels, only 3 exterior colors are available: Yulong White, Indus Silver, and Santorini Black. The second one is the Checkered Flag Edition, which is based on the R Sport and adds features like 20-inch gloss black wheels, Touch Pro navigations with Meridian Auto, and 3 exterior color options: Yulong White, Elgar Gray, and Santorini Black. However, the only engine is the 247 horsepower Turbo 4. Pricing here begins at $59,000.